These random tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Austria, and the link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on link voyafly.com eSim and open this website and click on this and write Austria and click on this and open new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and select days. Alright, and click on unlimited data, light, plus or premium and select days. I'm select 30 days, premium speed and unlimited data. Alright, and click on buy it now. This service number 1 for eSim. Okay, open new page and click on discount code and write ROAM tips. Click on apply and this is good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSim, or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on pay now. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.